If you ever wanted to make music but told yourself, I don't have the gear, I'm not talented enough, or it's too technical for me, I need you to stop right there, because everything you just thought is a lie. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to prove it. Hey, I'm Suraj. I run Amonra Productions and Edukos, which is a part of Amonra EduTech. I've been working as a sound engineer for almost 8 years. I've mixed live shows, produced tracks, and trained students from zero. And in that time, I've heard the same 5 excuses from literally hundreds of people. Today, we are killing all of the 5 excuses one by one. Excuse number 1, I need expensive gear to start. No, you don't. You need a laptop and a headphones. That's it. I know producers making professional sounding tracks on a 5-year-old laptop and a 2,000 rupees pair of earphones. Skill always beats equipment. Every single time. The gear myth exists because gear is easy to buy and hard to master. People buy a fancy interface hoping it'll make them sound better. It won't. It just sits there looking expensive. That one was obvious. But what's the excuse number 2? This one trips up even people who've been producing for months. The excuse number 2 is, I need to know music theory first. Which is absolutely wrong. You need ears, not theory. Some of the biggest producers in the world can't even read sheet music. They've learned it by doing, by clicking, dragging, experimenting, messing up, and trying again. Theory helps you go faster, but it's not the gate you have to pass through to start. If you want to know enough before starting, you would never start. Nobody feels ready, you just begin. Now, here's where it gets interesting, because excuse number 3 is the one that quietly kills more dreams than any of the others. It's too technical. I want to understand it. Here's the truth. It feels technical because nobody explained it simply. Music production isn't rocket science. It's a skill like cooking or driving. You don't understand engines to drive a car. You learn the controls, you practice, and one day it just clicks. The technical stuff only feels scary because of how it's taught, with jargon, with confusing tutorials, with people skipping the basics. Strip away the jargon, it's actually one of the most intuitive creative skills out there. This is the lie that even talented people believe. What's lie number 4? I'm not musically talented enough. Talent is overrated, repetition is underrated. Nobody's first beat is good. Nobody's, not mine, not the producer you admire, not anyone. What separates someone who becomes good from someone who quits isn't talent. It's whether they kept making bad tracks long enough to start making good ones. You're not behind, you just haven't put in the reps yet. That's completely different from not being good enough. And that brings us to the final lie, the biggest one, the one I used to believe it myself. It's too late for me to start. I've had students in their 30s, 40s, career changes, starts from absolute zero and become working sound engineers. There's no age limit on learning to create. The only thing too late guarantees is that you never start at all. The truth is simple. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today. So let's recap real quick. You don't need expensive gear. You don't need music theory first. It's not too technical once it's taught right. Talent isn't the requirement, reps are, and it is never too late. Every excuse you've been holding on to, it was never really about ability, it was about your belief. If this hit something in you, if some part of you has been wanting to make music but kept finding reasons not to start, that's exactly who Edukos was built for. We teach music production and sound engineering from absolute zero, step by step, in a way that actually makes sense. Links in the description. Your first track is waiting. Stop talking yourself out of it. And if this video helped you, hit the subscribe, because next week I'm breaking down on the exact beginner mistake that makes 90% of home mixers sound amateur. I will see you in the next one for sure. See you.